I think it's pure, I'm sorry pero it's bullshit. It's a complete bullshit. Kung titingnan mo, di ba, kung titingnan mo yung timeline, at saka yung timing, actually, yung timing nila, di ba, kahapon, I think yesterday, there was yung sa ICC, yung confirmation of charges, and there was now the impeachment complaint against the Vice President, which we tackled by the Justice Committee. So, titingnan mo yung timing nila, di ba? Pero, I think, feeling ko kung merong tagilid sila, meron na silang parang meron na silang automatic na response o gagawin to divert the attention. Parang may nakaimbak na sila na na generator eh. Kung merong tagilid sila, meron sa automatic iso-switch on nila. Tapos isisihin yung mga selected number of people na who they think are their perceived enemies or detractors. Ganun lang yun eh. You should see the timing. So it's an unsigned affidavit. It is according to the narratives of those who have been dishonorably discharged. I do not even know kung ano yung mga pangalan nila. So,
for the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.